Thank you. I love you. I love you.
A massive turnout, North Miami. Haitian Americans, a rally for Michel Martelly, candidate for president of Haiti. In Miami, he's raising funds. The high-profile musician, now presidential candidate, once bounced out of the race by questionable vote count, now very much in it, in part because supporters hit the streets in Port-au-Prince.
I believe that hadn't they done that, I would have not been reinstated. And now that I am, we intend to win the second round and move to the presidency where change will happen.
And that change, a promise to Haitians living in the U.S. and Canada, a chance at dual citizenship so they can invest, vote, feel secure in their homeland, despite the devastation of earthquake and cholera. Martelly is upbeat and all business.
We will make it easier for investors to come and create jobs, which is what Haiti needs right now.